I'm Will Sampson from WoodworkingNetwork.com and FDMC Magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about clamps. Now, the old woodworking slogan goes that you can never have enough clamps, and I have quite a few on the wall and strewn around the shop and different types and all. But I'm kind of excited about a new clamp from Bessey. Now, we're all familiar with the conventional bar clamps. This is an old Bessey bar clamp here, and it's got, movable bar that sometimes gets a little jammed in places and is a little fussy to move. And then it's got this nice screw handle. Works great for most things, except, when you get into tight places, this handle always seems to be in the way and it's hard to adjust. And it's also, hooks up onto here and doesn't move as smoothly sometimes as we'd like. Well, I'm excited about a new clamp that Bessey has come out with called a GearKlamp. Now, the first thing you notice is there's no handle here. The handle is in line with the bar, and that's kind of cool. So what there is there's a geared transmission in here that moves the screw. And then on this side there is a little red lock button, and you can smoothly slide this on the bar. For closing it, you can just push it. To open it, you pull that and it slides smoothly. Bar is smooth, it locks anywhere you leave it. But the best way to show how this works, if I'm going to clamp something up against a surface, even just a multiple glue up like this, it's hard for me to turn that handle when it's right up against the surface of the bench. It's okay when it's out, if I'm over air I can do it, but it's not easy to get up full source when it's up against a surface. Whereas with the new GearKlamp, it's very convenient. Nothing to get in the way. Really nice. And besides clamping flat surfaces, if you take one of the pads off the top, you can see that there are grooves on here so that irregular surfaces can be clamped more easily. And the pad just snaps right back on. Comes in 6-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch sizes. Great clamp, new clamp, GearKlamp from Bessey. Cost comparable to other clamps, so it's not even a big new expense. And besides, you need more clamps in your shop, right? That's what we've got for today. I'm Will Sampson. Thanks for watching. You can get more videos and product reviews at our website, woodworkingnetwork.com, or in the pages of FDMC Magazine. See you next time.